Hi, I'm Mark, your small business IT guy. Today you're going to see what happens when you replace your original hard drive with a solid state drive. This is a typical hard drive that you'll find in a PC or Mac computer. It's a mechanical hard drive and it contains spinning metal platters and drive heads to store data. It is one of the only mechanical components in your computer besides perhaps a cooling fan. And as such, it's one of the slowest components and the most likely to fail. This particular hard drive, I can see from the label, was manufactured in March 2014. So it's about 3.75 years old. So what we do is we apply a humanoid conversion factor of 20 to this drive to bring it to an equivalent human age of 75. Now, it's not surprising that this 75-year-old is a little bit slower than it used to be, especially when it was running inside the Toshiba laptop. So before upgrading the hard drive, I did a little performance benchmark. And in human terms, it took this drive, or this humanoid drive of 75 years old, 12 minutes and 16 seconds to go from the front door to the letterbox in slippers to collect the mail. Now, this is one of the more popular solid-state drives available today. It's the Samsung 850 EVO, and obviously we expect it to be quicker. I mean, for starters, it doesn't have any mechanical parts in it. It's purely based on memory chips. But is it worth upgrading your hard drive for the speed benefits alone? I mean, what's wrong with this old and faithful mechanical hard drive? Sometimes I've seen these hard drives last 5 years or longer. I mean, they don't make them like that anymore, do they? But the problem is, this slipper-wearing 75-year-old called Freddie, who you just thought was a quiet guy from across the street, is actually an ex-con. And he's about to stab you in the back by taking your system down without warning. Freddie is taking your contacts, your documents, your software, and your photos to the grave with him. If you're running old and faithful, which is more than 3 years old, make sure you have a good backup. I mean, the fact is, any hard drive can fail, including these solid-state drives, but this particular one from Samsung sports a 5-year warranty, which is unique at this price point. So, there you have it. We actually have two good reasons to upgrade to a solid-state drive. Firstly, for that benefit of having a more stable platform to store your data, reducing the risk of data loss. And secondly, for that performance hit. So, what is the performance hit we're going to get? In this particular case, we measured the performance increase of 60 times, or 6,000% improvement. A typical gain is more likely to be in 10 to 20 times. So, farewell Freaky Freddy, and hello Miranda Kerr.